Hey folks, in this video I want to show you how we can use the experiment template that we have created before about a host failure. If you want to see that one, check this one out, which is linked in the description. So now I'm going to the new experiment in here and say I want to create an experiment based on the template. I can see all my templates being available. I can search for something specific, like the one with the host failure that we want to test. Now you can see we find our experiment template. I can see all the details and the motivation and structure I've given this template. And now I can simply use this template. Now I'm jumping into the wizard in order to create an experiment based on this template. The first thing is to choose the environment to make it safe to afterwards run this experiment. And in our case, we're choosing the stage environment. And now I'm coming into the customized steps of the wizard, which are based on the template placeholders I've described before. You can see that we are getting asked a question which matches the description of the placeholder. And the first thing I need to choose is define the Kubernetes cluster I want to use. I'm actually using an environment variable based on the online shop stage environment that is available to make it flexible in the end. Next step, I have to choose a namespace, like the Steadybit demo namespace in here, and eventually also the Kubernetes deployment that I want to check before and after I've shut down a specific host. That's it. I can simply create the experiment. It's now ready to be executed. You can also see that all the values have been replaced by the values I've provided so that there are no placeholders anymore, also in the title or even in the hypothesis. And this way I can simply run the experiment now and check out what happens for my specific deployment. Of course, the same features are also available via API. So whenever you want to automate the usage of a template, that's possible as well, but that's something to be covered in another video. Check it out and take care.